Getembe umuske churiasi migosi Ogamba nigo abolire aborokia be university abale omugiro gwemirimo gusika ekigambiro na kwira nemirimo limorioka korengana n'omwasiri oyo nigo okoba kwabo asemirimo gusasa omugiro kogendete koremaria aborokigwa abo baganirie kogendera n'amasomo abo boigo niganyaka bakoneke buna chingaki baranyaka bakugendera nemirimo yabo chingwana nigo chigenderete elio kugayana na goikirania amaganio abo.
Content. And if you are in content, this action might be taken against you. So we are asking. We have done a lot in the sector, and we've agreed that all grievances can be discussed without us going on strike, which affects our learners. We are trying to weed out any perceived ghost students or ghost schools in our system. So we are now working very hard to ensure that we have the right data of how many schools we have in Kenya, how many learners are in which school, how many learners are in which region, and we are optimistic by the end of this week we should have very clean data on how many students we have, how many students we have, and that will actually affect the distribution of teachers in our country. It's going to affect significantly because